Hello everyone, today we're here at this great newer home at 16223 Northwest Ashfield Drive in Beaverton. It's got 2,021 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and we're going to go inside right now and take a look. Here we go. Oh, by the way, this is on the market for $21.95 a month. We will go into the front door, which leads us into a nice long entry hallway. Got some shelving here. A nice large storage closet and coat closet. And we come into our nice open living room, kitchen, dining room area. We've got a great gas fireplace. This is a good sized living room. Come back over here, take a look around. It's our dining area there. Kitchen. Got a nice eating bar. All hardwood floors on the main level. Stainless steel appliances. Looks like a marble type countertop. Lots of cabinets. And we've got a hallway back this way where we have a nice half bath. And another linen closet, lots of storage here. And then this leads out to a 2-car garage. Okay, yeah, lots of room out here. Okay. And back on the other side of the kitchen and dining area, got a sliding glass door, and this takes us out to a fully fenced patio area. This is really pretty nice. Plenty of room for barbecuing, entertaining, whatever you'd like to do. Nice concrete patio. Then we've got our stairway over here, which will take us up to our bedrooms. We've got 4 bedrooms upstairs. First bedroom over on the right is our large master bedroom, very large. Lots of light in this unit. We come back over here. We have, through this door, got a large master bath. Double sinks. Walk-in shower. and a large soaking tub. Toilet room through here. And then through this way we've got a large walk-in closet. Lots of shelving, plenty of room for all your clothes. Then if we come back out here down this hallway, we've got one of our other 3 bedrooms. Could also be used for an office, but it does have a closet, so it is a legal bedroom. Got our laundry room, washer and dryer. We have a sink in the laundry room, cabinets. This is really a great laundry area here. Over to the left, we've got our other full bath with a sink, bathtub, and shower. And then down here, our other 2 bedrooms. Also got large linen closet here that opens 2 doors that open up into the hallway. Very large linen closet, lots of storage. And then 2 bedrooms. This one even has a walk-in closet. Lots of shelving, plenty of room to hang clothes. And then our 4th bedroom over here. Like I said, this place is light and bright. Okay, that about concludes our tour. If you have any questions or want more information, would like to apply for this, go to our website at rentportlandhomes.com.